Hello everyone. We are going to see the practical number 7 of our PPA subject. The practical number 7 is functions. In this, we have to create a function to solve the problem that we have intended to do. So, we are going to see this question. Student grade calculation using functions. And this question, we have to use three functions. One is to calculate the average, and the second is to find the grade, and then the third is to display the results. So, the first function takes inputs the 3 marks that they are giving out. So, this question always has an three constant marks. That is basically three inputs is constant. There is no variable input like 4 or 5, only three inputs. So we are using scanf to get the marks, and then we are putting that value into the first function, which is to calculate the average. So for calculating average, we are returning the value as m1 plus m2 plus m3 divided by 3.0. So the value will be returned as a float. And then the second one is character of finding the grade. So the finding grade, we have to use the value that we get from the first function, that is the average. So we are using if and else if conditions to get the grade of the thing, that grade of the marks. So if the average is greater than 90, it will be A. If it's greater than 75, it will be B. Or if it's greater than 50, it will be C, and else it will be F. And then finally, we are printing out the results. Since the results, we only are printing the results and we are not returning any value, we are using void display results. And here we can see that this function takes the value of the average and the grade. So it will take the return value of the first function and the return value of the second function to print out the average. So the first float average will be printed out here using average %.2f and comma average, and then the grade will be also printed using %3 as an identifier. And that concludes this program by using these functions in the main function. So first we are getting the inputs using scanf, and we are applying the calculate average function, and then the find grade function, and finally the display results function. Thank you.